Hi, this is Jeff with the IT department. I'm here to talk to you today about some hybrid classroom tips and tricks to help with your hybrid classes. So let's go ahead and get started. So some classrooms are equipped with the webcam and single room microphone. You can find these rooms fairly easy on the Smart Classroom page listed here. If you just click on the accordion sections for each building, it'll show you which rooms are hybrid capable and which ones are not. The microphones in each room is very sensitive and it will pick up most of the sound in the room. The webcam is set to view the teaching space, the instructional area, and possibly some of the student seats wherever possible. So you're going to want to move the camera to your position as you work in the classroom. Both of the devices are connected directly to the classroom's computer through USB ports, so it's instantly recognized by Zoom. So you should be able to just log into the Smart Classroom computer, open Zoom, and both devices will be recognized instantly so you can get started with your class. And wherever it's available, any computer audio in the room, like if they have speakers in the ceiling, it'd still be available as it was in the past. So some room microphone best practices, just because it is such a sensitive microphone. We recommend that you don't block or cover the microphones, as that will mute the sound or cause extra noise. Try to get everyone in your class to speak slowly and clearly, as some of the Zoom participants may not be able to pick up some of their questions. In fact, you may have to paraphrase once in a while. Try to keep the class as quiet as possible, as room acoustics may vary. This goes for also large spaces where you're holding a hybrid class. More background noise, the harder it is for the Zoom participants to be able to hear. Try to encourage your participants, whether they're in class or on Zoom, to speak up if they haven't heard something or if they're having troubles hearing, so you're able to correct it. I know that's going to be kind of difficult as you're running the class, but it's something you may have to pick up just so the Zoom participants can participate in your class. Any Zoom participants should always mute their mics when they come into your session so they're not creating any background noise while you're lecturing or doing your class activities. And if anyone in the class, so if it's an in or a hybrid class and the people in the class are logged into the Zoom session, they will also need to keep their microphones muted just to prevent any audio feedback from the room mic. Now in this example, I'm in Ackerman 114. I'm in the front of the classroom with the plexiglass shield and the podium section with the screen behind me. The camera is on a black cabinet, so the microphone is located on the end of the cabinet closest to the instructor, about right here, and you'll see a little round circle. I'll take a picture of it. And the webcam you'll see pointing at the general direction. So this angle is a little interesting because you'll be looking at your class this way and probably occasionally looking at the mic back and forth. So the big thing to note is anybody within this area, obviously the closer I am, the louder I am, but the further I get away from the microphone, the more faint I am. And I'm projecting pretty loudly with my mask on. It is a pretty sensitive mic. It does pick up most everything in the room. So it's best that you actually visit the classrooms you're scheduled to have hybrid classes in and test it out for yourself with the Zoom session. And again, you can always reach out to the AV department if you have any questions or you'd like a tutorial. So if you have any questions about our hybrid classroom tips and tricks, you can always check out our academic technology page or get onto our knowledge base page. You can email us at helpdesk@eou.edu, and you can also call us at 541-962-3111. And just as a reminder, you also can request tutorials from our AV department. They're taking schedules now. This is the form that's available on the academic technology page. You just submit this form and they'll contact you for an appointment. Thank you for watching.